Protein folding. Your body makes proteins by linking amino acids in a chain, but a chain is useless. It needs to fold. Protein folding is how a linear chain transforms into a complex 3D structure. And this structure determines everything the protein can do. The folding happens automatically. Amino acids attract or repel each other based on their chemical properties. Hydrophobic parts hide inside. Hydrophilic parts face outside. Within milliseconds, the chain twists, loops, and folds into its final shape. Get the shape right, and you have a working enzyme, antibody, or muscle fiber. Get the shape wrong, and you have a disaster. Because misfolded proteins cause Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and mad cow disease. Your cells have special proteins called chaperones. Their job is crucial as they help other proteins fold correctly. Remember this: the shape of a protein is its function. Changing the shape changes the function. Folding is the difference between the normal and abnormal function of proteins.